last year, YouTube changed up the game how viewers find your videos. So this is how you increase the click-through rate on YouTube and get people watching the whole way through. So let's start with the idea of your video. Your video topic has to be important to your audience. Because if the video topic is not important to your audience, no matter what the thumbnail and title and the hook of your video is, nobody will click on it. Once you've done that, let's think about the thumbnail. The thumbnail has to stop them and then let them see what your video is about. So we want to make your thumbnail as simple as possible and eye-catching and conveys the story of your video. And the title too. Now this brings me to the fourth one. The title was the third. The video hook. When they stop and watch the video because of the thumbnail and title, then you have to hook them in the first 8 seconds. And this is where it's tricky because it's really hard to think past the thumbnail and title. It used to be click on the video, then the video hook, but now the video hook plays automatic. So here's one tip that can help you. So I'm going to explain it to you. You know how words pop up on the screen to grab your attention? Well, you can put words in 5 to 8 seconds that match what you say, then it'll keep your attention and they probably click on your video. But it's also important that it's not clickbait, and this is actually helping you to filter out clickbait videos. So if you find this video helpful, then you want to watch this video up on the screen that tells you how to make a thumbnail in Canva, and I'll see you there. Bye.